In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Grok account. First, open Google Chrome or your preferred web browser. Next, navigate to grok.com. Once the site loads, click on your profile icon and go to Settings. From there, navigate to Data Controls, then scroll down to the bottom and find the Delete Account button. Click on it and you'll be redirected to another settings page. Click on the Data section, then select Delete Account again. To confirm the deletion, enter your email address. Finally, click Delete and that's it. It's a lot of clicks, but your Grok account is now deleted. If you change your mind, you can recover your account within 30 days of deleting it. Just log back in. Here's how. Enter your login details and click the Yes, Restore Account button. That's it. Your account is now restored. Like and subscribe if you found this tutorial helpful.